Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Brain Socks is probably one of the most innovative and comfortable accessories you can find. These socks are designed with cutting-edge technology to enhance your cognitive function and keep your feet feeling great all day long. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to stay sharp, these socks are a must-have addition to your wardrobe. Number 5. 3D Brain Cell Neuron Socks, Deluxe Personality. Check out these unique socks. They feature a detailed brain cell neuron design. It's a fun and stylish way to show off your personality. These socks are designed for everyone. They are made with comfortable materials, so you can wear them all day long. You'll love how they feel. Express yourself with these personality socks. They are a great conversation starter and a perfect gift. It's a fun way to add some flair to your outfit. The printing on these socks is top-notch. The design is clear and vibrant. The colors will stay bright even after washing. These short socks are the perfect length for any occasion. They are 40 centimeters long, which is a great fit. They are versatile and stylish. What we like. These socks feature a unique 3D brain cell design. The unisex design makes it a great gift for anyone. If you are looking for a fun and stylish way to show off your love for neuroscience, you should consider this one. What people say. The person I gave it to got a good laugh and has been wearing these. Seem to made from nice material and are holding up well. Number 4. I Heart Guts Brain Socks, Neurologist Gift. These socks are perfect for anyone who loves the brain. They are a great gift for neurologists or anyone interested in neuroscience. They are comfortable and stylish. These socks are designed to support mental health awareness. They are a fun and unique way to show your support. Get yours today and show off your love for the brain. Looking for a unique gift for a neurologist? Look no further. These socks are a fun and practical gift that they will love. They are a great conversation starter. These socks can be a great comfort during surgery recovery. They are a reminder that the brain is a powerful organ. They can help lift spirits during a difficult time. Show your support for mental health awareness with these socks. They are a great way to start conversations about mental health. They are a stylish and comfortable way to make a statement. Send a get-well present that is both thoughtful and fun. These socks are a unique gift that will bring a smile to anyone's face. They are a perfect way to show you care. What we like. This design is all about the love for brains. It's a perfect gift for neurologists and anyone supporting mental health awareness. If you are looking for a gift to show your support for someone in the medical field or someone passionate about neuroscience, you should consider this one. What people say. Looks good. The socks are well made and the design is fun. Number 3. Brain Socks. Are you tired of cold feet? This innovative product is designed to keep your feet warm and comfortable. It's the perfect solution for those chilly days. These socks utilize advanced thermal technology. They trap heat and wick away moisture, ensuring your feet stay dry and cozy all day long. Made with high-quality materials, this product offers both comfort and durability. You can wear it for hours without any discomfort, and it's built to last. Whether you're hiking, working, or just relaxing at home, this is the perfect choice. It provides the warmth and comfort you need for any activity. Don't let cold feet ruin your day. Get your own pair of brain socks today and experience the ultimate in foot comfort. You won't regret it. What we like. These socks offer a classic brain design. They are simple, yet effective in showcasing your interest in the brain. If you like a clean and straightforward design that still makes a statement, you should consider this one. What people say. I ordered these for my neurologist and he loved them. Brought a little fun to some otherwise not fun procedures. Number 2. FWSXIVN Brain USB 3D Printed Socks. Check out these cool socks. The unique brain design is sure to turn heads. They're perfect for anyone who loves a bit of novelty in their wardrobe. These crew tube socks are designed for comfort. They're made with soft materials, making them ideal for everyday wear. You'll love how they feel on your feet. The 3D printed graphics add a fun, eye-catching element. The vibrant colors and crazy patterns make it a statement piece. It's a great way to express yourself. Featuring a fun USB plug theme, these socks are both cool and casual. They are a great conversation starter. Get ready to show off your unique style. These socks come in one size, designed to fit most people. They're easy to care for and maintain. Get yours today and add some fun to your sock collection. What we like. These socks feature a cool anatomy brain design. The 3D printing makes the design pop, and the colors are fun and eye-catching. If you like a fun and colorful design, you should consider this one. What people say. If you look quick you can't tell they are brains. Great quality. Neurosurgeon boyfriend wore them with sweets and they looked sharp. Patients loved them. Number 1. Neuron Socks Brain Cell Socks Brain Socks. These socks are designed with a unique brain cell pattern. They are comfortable and stylish, perfect for anyone who loves science or unique fashion. The intricate design of the socks mimics the look of brain cells. It's a fun and educational way to show off your love for neuroscience. You'll be sure to turn heads with this unique design. Made from high-quality materials, these socks provide all-day comfort. They are soft, breathable, and perfect for any activity. You'll love how they feel on your feet. Looking for a unique gift? These socks are a great choice for friends and family. They are a fun and practical gift that anyone will appreciate. Give the gift of comfort and style. Express yourself with these eye-catching socks. They are a great conversation starter and a fun way to show off your personality. Get ready to make a statement with these socks. What we like. These socks feature a unique neuron and brain cell design. The brain-themed pattern is perfect for those interested in neuroscience. If you are looking for a pair of socks that are both educational and stylish, you should consider this one. What people say. Nice shade of dark navy. I gave these as stocking stuffers to my male co-workers at a neurology practice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.